If we get one thing right as leaders, it has to be attracting world-class people who are aligned with the mission of what we're trying to accomplish.
Voltans are bright, Voltans are gritty, and Voltans are good. That's what we look for in every Voltan.
Those three things in combination are very hard to find, and we actively nurture that. As a leadership team, we think a lot about what that means.
One of the things that our leadership team has done remarkably well is just really vetted people for culture fit as they come into the organization. And as a result, they have brought together a diverse, eclectic, but good team of Voltans who really enjoy each other's company on top of being super smart and good at the work that they're doing.
Everybody is like-minded but unique in their own way with a lot of value to add.
There's definitely a kind of a Voltus personality, and it's this kind of intense, always striving to be better, always trying to do things faster and bigger.
Our team defines us and differentiates us. It is a collective of incredibly diverse, yet incredibly talented human beings that are aligned with this mission.
The level of intelligence that surrounds me every single day is undeniable, and it's motivating.
It's a really intense team. Everybody's really go-getters, and they push each other to be better, and they try to support each other.
If we're going to accomplish what we aim to accomplish, that's going to be because of the strong team that we bring on board.